All right, guys. So, hey, let's come over here to the system right now. Like as always, I don't like to tell you, I like to show you. Welcome back. I'm going to give you all the Cape Coral real estate numbers. So, hey, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and nothing, guys. Let's start with that report. I know you guys going to love it. All right, guys. So, hey, we're over here in the single family resident Cape Coral real estate market. These are pretty much like the numbers for the whole market right now. Let's start talking about the medium sell price. So compared to previous month, I mean, if you guys could see, this was past or last May. We're still a little bit lower than that. We used to be at 450. Right now we are 420. So that's a negative 6.7%. If you guys see it over here, compared to last year. Compared to previous month is 1%, 1.2% up. And then if you guys want to double check my older video, my previous video from this, I talk a little bit about this whole thing, what I think the market would do and all that. So double check at the end of this video. I'm going to put that over there as well. But nothing, guys, you know, you can see this is a more stable market. It's just going up a little bit. All right, guys. So I'm going to show you this graph over here. This is January. This used to be 2023, 22. This is 2021 year, which that one is on blue. Then the red would be the 2022, and then the yellow would be the 2023. So this line over here that you see, this was 2022. So this is where we are right now. Let me get something over here to annotate so I could be able to show you where we headed. So this over here is the this year, right? So I would suggest that we probably gonna do this over here in the market as always, maybe going up a little bit later. This is probably what we're gonna be end up being this year. Another thing too, well, yeah, so this is pretty much what's gonna go. If anything changed at the mid of this month, I know the Feds are gonna get talked together. Like I don't know, 2 weeks ago, the interest rate hit almost the 8%. So I mean, it's all depend. We could see this happen, something like that too, and then start recovering. Oh, sorry, and start recovering. Let me erase this. Maybe start recovering. Maybe we'll do something like this, go down a little bit, keeping going down, then start recovering as soon as. So this is something that we always got to look into it, and I always tell you guys to subscribe to the channel so you guys know exactly where we at. So listen, this is what what's happening right now. This over here was last April, so right now we kind of are covering all these months, which I think this is what's gonna happen. Once again, I don't have no crystal ball, but this is something to take in consideration. So I mean, this was, let me see, April, May was 455. June 443. So we got to see how these interact once these sales happen this next couple of months. So if you were to talk to me and say, hey Manny, what do you think about the market, I would say we are more in a normal market, which it doesn't seem normal because the high interest rate and people still buying house like crazy. So if you were to tell me like, wow Manny, look, and then this is another thing too, so this used to be like October, for of course, but this would be, if we didn't have that hurricane, it would be almost October would be almost like the bottom part of the market, and then start going up again. So if you were to tell me, hey Manny, what do you think would be the bottom? The bottom could be that January, October through January, and then now you guys could see this going up. But once again, we got to figure it out to get new data and see where we at in that aspect. Days on the market, if you guys see over here, days on the market have used to go up and then came down a little bit. It started coming down because people are buying properties. So inventory, remember, supply and demand. So inventory go down and less homes hit in the market. That you see this decreasing a little bit because people are buying more properties. Our square footage prices, you know, went down a little bit by December. I think hit the bottom, then start going up slowly. So this and this would be an indicator for me that the housing market in Cape Coral is recouped from last year slowly. It's gonna keep in that trajectory, not like we saw in 2021 or 2022 that it just went skyrocket. New listings, have you guys see, you know, this is used to be lower listings, and then listings start coming up, went down a little bit. And now we are, you know, that 730 range. So let's double check over here the active inventory. The active inventory, we used to be, you know, climbing and then just start coming down over here. This for me just you know, showing me like a downturn, unless then we start seeing this going up and up and up and up. So that's one thing to look into it. Month of supply, you know, again from October, you know, months of supply keeping going down. This could be because of those sales and you know, less inventory hitting the market. Like, you know, all these go hand by hand. So this is good for sellers because the less inventory, of course, the less competition you're gonna have, and then the better price you could get for your property. The more competition and less demand, you know, that's gonna bring down your prices a little bit more. So all right, guys, so yeah, this is gonna be the numbers for the Cape Coral real estate market. You know, the biggest thing with it is as soon as market still running the way it is, you know, it would be more normal. So nothing. Yeah, this is that report. If you guys are looking for properties, don't forget that description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like.